Alright guys, we have another restoration video. Today we're going to be restoring this 1963 Ford F-100. And it's been sitting in this barn for 10 years. And 10 years ago when it started, it only ran for about a day. Then they put it right back in this barn. So, in total, it's been sitting for a while. Just minusing those couple of days they got it out. Sure.
How come the truck doesn't make any flex?
Thanks. Is this alright?
What's that?
Can I just ride like this? Here's the interior of the car. Pretty straight looking. Pretty straightforward. The gauges work, I believe. It's got a new carpet, new seats, headliner. Nothing new though. Alright guys, we got it hauled out to the pasture and we're waiting for a trailer to come out so we can haul it back because the tires on it they're destroyed. We might get it down the road in about a mile, but then they'd pop or go flat, so we're gonna play it safe and get a car hauler. We're waiting for that to arrive. We have it out in the pasture so we can have lots of room to get it pulled up, and yeah, it's coming together. Alright guys, we got it tied down. We are so snug in this thing, you won't even believe it.
It was pretty good, Dan.
We were that trailer was 1 inch smaller, but this truck was 1 inch bigger. It wouldn't have fit. I'm gonna tell you guys that right now. You do not believe how snug we are in this trailer.
How are we gonna get it off?
We don't worry about that till we get home. Cross that bridge when we get there.
I built this with 7 blocks. Look at it. Who needs car wash?
Alright guys, we got it home. There's a little trip, but it's here now. It's a good looking truck. It's really dusty, that's why it looks so bright. On the top it's just dust. I'm hoping that the paint's alright on it. Maybe we can just gloss it and give it a kind of a patina look, but I don't know yet. I don't even know what I'm here to work with yet, so we'll figure out once we can get it off the trailer and get it sprayed down. The guard knows. Okay guys, we got it in the garage next to the GTO project. And get a better look at the inside. Some grain left over from when I was a farm truck. Alright guys, we're going to push it out and give it a little wash down.
Yeah, Drake, you want to go up there with me?
Yeah, I'm just working on the truck right now.
Dang, that was good.
Yeah, I know on YouTube. Like
Yep.
the video did.
This seat here is right behind the gas. It's right in front of the gas tank. And look at all the rat damage. It's all. They tore all the stuffing out. They even got
part of the floor mat there.
Keep working on it, Reed. What are you shoveling?
You got the
Grain, wet grain.
whole grain.
Used to be a grain truck.
Vacuum or compressor? I got a vacuum. Hey, go get your vacuum.
I don't think we ever got a filter for it, Dad. I don't think we ever got a filter for it.
Will you actually build one?
You guys got this
Can you do it?
Here's all the stuff we managed to save out of the glove box. Original manual. The mice got to it. Some sort of road map or something. Colorado. Kansas driving handbook and the insurance papers. That's pretty neat. Alright guys, it's daytime. It's nighttime now, and we've been waxing it all day. I mean, for the past hour and a half. And you can't see it very well, but it's really shined up. Tomorrow, I'll show you a shot of it tomorrow in the daylight. Alright, here's a little better shot of it with it all waxed down. I mean, I'm telling you, it looks like a completely different truck with it all waxed. The inside, if you can look, see in there. We got the seat, the old cushion off, and we're gonna probably revinyl this, do a whole restoration on the interior. The floorboard has a hole in it, we're gonna have to fix that, but other than that, day one's really working out really good. There's the GTO sitting right in next to it. Really good looking car. Truck, actually.